In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your payment method on Agoda using the best method. Whether you're booking that dream vacation or managing your travel expenses, keeping your payment information up to date is crucial. So let's dive in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Agoda website. This ensures that you're on a secure platform to handle personal financial information. Open your preferred web browser and type in Agoda's URL or search for Agoda to access the site directly. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account to access all functionalities. If you haven't already, click on the sign in button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, to make things quick and convenient, we're going to sign in using Google. Selecting this option links your Agoda account with your Google account, helping to prevent the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Once you're logged in, head back to the Agoda homepage. From here, look for your profile icon, which is usually situated in the same general area as the sign in button on the top right of the page. Click on your profile. This drop down menu provides various options related to your account, such as bookings, wish lists, and importantly, account settings. Next, select the option for payment methods. This section is where all your current financial information is displayed and where you'll make any necessary changes. If you're adding a new payment method, there will be a visible button to input your new card details. Follow the prompts to enter information such as your card number, expiration date, and billing address. On the other hand, if you're changing an existing payment method, identify the current card you are using and select the edit option. Make any necessary updates to your card details and save them. Remember, it's important to review all details for accuracy before saving to avoid any future inconveniences, such as payment rejections during your transactions. Now, with these steps completed, you've successfully set or updated your payment information on Agoda. Updating your payment method not only streamlines your future bookings, but also ensures that your travel plans proceed without any unexpected glitches. You're now ready to move forward, whether that means locking in a great deal for your next hotel stay, or just having peace of mind that your payment details are up to date and secure. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident managing your payment methods on Agoda. Safe travels and happy booking.